The ATR XH Volume Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also study this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Comments section and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, a histogram window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The ATR XH Volume Indicator uses a histogram that represents a price ratio and ultimately takes averages of these ratios, which are displayed in the form of ATR, as you can see here with the orange line. Where the average and histogram increase, it indicates an increase in price volatility. And you can observe larger candles in relation to that. In the settings section, in the input section, there is only one option, Argon, available for us where you can change the period. Settings for the ATR average, which is set to 14 by default. Here, I will set it to 21, and as you can see, the ATR average has changed for us and displays a different value here. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.